In this video, we are going to discuss about the expression for the kinetic energy. Expression for you know that the potential energy and kinetic energy are the two energies that they are called the mechanical energies. So I think already I discussed about what is energy. So energy is the capacity to do the work, that is called the energy. The capacity of an object to do the work is known as the energy of the object. So different type of energies are there, and apart from that we are discussing about the mechanical energies. So mechanical energies are actually two types. So one is kinetic energy and another one is potential energy. So what is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is the energy of an object because of its motion is called kinetic energy. So that kinetic energy, the energy, kinetic energy short form is can write Ke, kinetic energy, the energy of an object be- because of its motion, the energy of an object because of its motion is called kinetic energy. Okay. So we're going to find out the expression for it. So think about a object here. There is one object. The object is placed on a table. Here is the table, and mass of the object is m. So when we apply the force in this direction, so what will happen? The object will displace, and we will say the work is done by this force. When there is a displacement, you can say that the work is done by this force. So now the object, suppose after applying the force, the object has traveled some distance and reached to this point. So this distance you can take as x. From here the distance is x. So this is the A position and this one is the B position. This is the diagram you have to draw when you prove this. So the velocity v at B, this one I have to find out the velocity v at B. So you can find out the velocity v at B. In that case, you have to use this formula. You can write the acceleration of the, first you find out the acceleration of the body, mass is given, force is given. So the acceleration of body m, of the body acceleration is just as a is equal to a by m. Now the velocity at B, this position, velocity of the body at B position So which formula will use? You use u square is equal to u square plus 2as, this formula. So remember, initially the object was at rest. Here object was at rest. When you started force, when you applied force, the objects as there is acceleration, so objects is coming to motion, and there is some velocity is there. So that you're going to find out. So the distance traveled, this is x. So here s is equal to, you can take x. So s is equal to x. U is equal to 0. We'll put this one in this equation. So we'll get v square is equal to 2ax. That one you can write. Now in A will put the value of this acceleration. So you can write or v square is equal to 2a by m. You can put a bracket here into x. Okay. So now what we'll do, this is 2 f into x by m. So what is f into x? F into x is nothing but the energy, because it is a work done. Work done is energy. Okay. So that you can write as the kinetic energy, or here we are going to find out only F into x, because we are applying a force and displacement is x, that is why the work done, F into x. So we can find out only F into x. So F into x is equal to what? Is equal to m into v square by 2, or you can write half mv square here. So F into x is nothing but the kinetic energy. So you can write in short form, the kinetic energy is equal to half m v square. So that is the expression for the kinetic energy. Remember this formula, and also practice the derivations. Sometime they can ask in exam to prove the derivations of the kinetic energy. Suppose I'll give you one small numerical which is there in the book. So find the, this example, find the kinetic energy of a ball of mass 200 gram moving at a speed of 20 centimeter per second. So first thing you have to do, you have to convert, see the units are there. This is gram and this is centimeter per second. You have to convert into that SI unit. They're all CGS units. So SI unit. So m is equal to 200 gram is equal to 0.200 kg, and this one value of speed is v is equal to 20 centimeter per second is equal to 0.2 meter per second. So now I'll put the formula in this formula. Kinetic energy K is equal to, sometimes it is also written as K also. You can write K is equal to half m v square is equal to half into this one is 0.200 into 0.20. So we'll get 0.004 kilogram kg meter per second, meter square per second square. Okay, so that is nothing but joule. So you can write 0.004 joule. That is your answer. So next topic we will discuss about the potential energy tomorrow. Okay, so thank you very much.